Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Jomar Makinay and si
Joseph.
Joseph. And today, we will be reviewing the Tiangong M416 and
M4a1.
very good, M4a1. These units is the cheapest, cheapest M4 size unit. See, it's full size. See, full size. You can find on Shopee and on Lazada. This one is from Lazada and this is
From Lazada.
also from Lazada. Okay. This is generally intended for kids
Kids.
because it's has lots of features.
Lightweight.
And what features does your unit have? It has a
Scope.
scope,
Laser flashlight. And what was the-
folding grip,
folding grip and
flash
barrel.
barrel. Yes. That is for his unit. There's lots of attachments. For mine, it's the fake ACOG that is actually magnified, which is cute. First is the quality. This is an all ABS construction. It's plastic. Is it the same?
Yeah.
Same. Yeah, same. Next one is the trades. It has no trades. It's nothing written on this one. On yours, there are some on the rails. See, T1, some on the EOTech, some Chinese writing that I do not understand. And that's basically it. Features. What are the features of your unit?
Has flashlight, laser.
Features. This one?
Oh yeah. It has semi, safe, and full auto.
Very good. Same with my unit. Although on the safe, you can still pull the trigger, but it will not fire. Semi. It works. But mine, oh, okay, it still works. Battery space. Where's your battery? Same. Battery is located at the rear. Ta-da! It comes with a 7.4 battery with an XTSM connector. Ta-da! And since this is a very, very low FPS unit, what's the FPS?
100 something.
120 FPS. So, the range, not so much. Don't expect much on this one. This is literally intended for kids. And range is, it barely hits my 10 meters mark. You need to arc it up for it to reach it. Although I have, for the TG units, I have a hop-up on my store. So, it helps. Weight, this is, what's the weight?
1,000.
100 grams, so around 1.2 kilos. It's very light. For me, For you, how heavy is it?
Feels a little bit heavy with the two fingers.
It's heavy for kids. But for us adults, it's very light. Upgrades, this is not upgradable. I think the only thing you can buy from the market is the extra mags. And there are two variants on this one. On my unit, the M416, is this. See, this is my magazine. And on his unit, it's different. So when buying this unit, make sure to check the mags, since this will not work on this one and this will not work on this one. Keep that on mind. FPS range price, this was around 1,500.
And mine is 1,000 and maybe 900 or 800.
Something like that, because it has more accessories. This one is a copy of the Airsoft M4S system. So I do not want to call this M416. That's wrong. But I like the design. Although it's cheap, feels light, definitely for children. But it's fine. Uh, Joseph, what do you think about your unit? Are you happy with it?
Yep.
Why are you happy with it?
Because it's light and then has a lot of accessories and then
And that's why children love those kind of things. As long as it is light and lot of things to play with, it has flashlight, laser, folding grip, sights, magnified scope. No, not a scope. Red dot sight and a magnified scope. They'll be happy with it. They're not like adults that want the latest and greatest accessories like this one. This is the Sima M4. See, it's a much better one. X power, metal stuff. It's the same. It's more or less same length, overall length, but different weight. And if you give this to the kids, they will be a little bit hard for them to run if they play in the game. It's a little bit heavy. And even if you have this unit, you can still play in a game. It really depends on how you will play it. Hmm? I knew someone who started with this kind of units, and he did enjoy before upgrading to a different one. So it's all subjective. And if you're just going to shoot at home and stuff, and at kids, this is fine. And this is cheap. You can buy a lot, right?
yeah.
That's it. Easy to shoot. And you know that they will not cry.
Oh!
See? Did it hurt?
Yeah, the little.
Will you cry?
No,
See?
I'm 9 years old.
Yeah, he's older now. It will not cry from those kind of things. But imagine me hitting him with a 240 FPS. I'll get in trouble. Anywho, overall, it's a very subjective unit. What? I thought you're not going to cry.
I'm just scratching it.
Okay, scratching it. It's brave. It's brave. Anywho, it's a very subjective unit. If you just want to add it to your collections because of the looks, why not? Uh, uh, it's your money. Do whatever you want. Uh, what else? Do you have anything to say?
No, it's okay.
It's okay. Okay. Anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, then put it down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli! Paalam!
Bye!
Ching!